Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Sylvia Hotel. Wow. It's coming. It's an old Montgomery from probably the 50s or 60s. Here it is. Wow, let's get a cab view. Lantern's burnt out.
Still 1910, but modded.
Let's go to basement. I want to go down first. We're in the basement.
Oh, it's okay. I'll take the next one.
Let's go up to 8. Probably was replaced in the 60s.
This thing is tiny.
Yeah, it is. Here we are up on 8. Hold the door, I'm gonna see, there's your call station. Alright, let's go to basement. Or lobby, yeah, we'll go to lobby.
Bumper got replaced with a sensor.
Yeah. Wow. Here are your black C.J. Anderson Montgomery fixtures. Here's a cab view. Can't tell if that's real or fake, would probably fake. Camera lost focus. I'm gonna take another ride on this one. This one's awesome.
Okay, there's staff waiting downstairs for it, so. Never mind.
This one's awesome.
Yeah.
See any leveling? Nope.
That door track looks original.
Yeah. Basement, non-stop ride. Yeah, I'm guessing basement's locked, yeah.
I don't see a key switch though for it, so.
It's a really cool buttons. If there's no staff, I'm definitely taking another ride. This one's incredible. Door closes when you push the button. Y'all love that.
Yeah.
Interesting light fixture there.
Old school tray light.
Yeah. That was a common thing back in like the 50s and 60s.
Yeah.
There's another one there, but it's modded.
Modded, I think in the 80s for that other one. Looks like Shin.
That's a white button. Yeah, you can't tell who did the other one, but
Looks like Schindler actually recognized our fixtures.
yeah, definitely an amazing buttons here. Here we are on the main level. And we'll get off here.
Set it up, get it
And there's...
little dial indicator.
Oh, you just send it up?
Yeah. This way.
See, you can see, got a rotodial indicator and it's going up to the top. Looks like it might stop.
Rarely ever see those these days.
They're really rare.
In order.
Anyways, there it goes, and that's gonna be it.